How to track your American Express card. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can track your American Express card. So let's say you've just applied for an American Express card and you've been approved. Now, in order to track where your card has arrived or when it will arrive at your location, what you'll have to do is basically open your mail service provider. In my case, it's Gmail. After that, you'll basically receive a mail from American Express saying that your card has been shipped or your card has been approved. You can simply see this mail right over here, and then you can basically track your card over here. So currently, as you can see, my card has been shipped and it is expected to arrive by Friday, September 27. So in this way, you can basically track your card right over here. And then if you want to further track your card, simply tap on the option track my card, and then you will be able to track your American Express card over here. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.